The world's largest natural, organic, and healthy products event took place recently in California. Today, registered holistic nutritionist Andrea Donsky takes us through some of the latest health products that'll be hitting shelves very soon. Good to see you.
Good to see you too.
You're also the founder, of course, of Naturally Savvy.
Yes.
And you're naturally savvy when it comes to these great foods. So what are the latest?
All right, so Expo West is amazing because literally it's the largest trade show in North America for natural and organic food. So I am like a kid in a candy store there. My favorite place to be, one of my favorite places to be. So lots of different trends that were coming up there, but one of the trends was raw. So raw is always out there, but now it's vegan paleo. So if you're familiar with the paleo diet?
Yeah, which is eating the caveman diet.
Exactly.
Kev's done it.
So some people who are vegan, they're also following that type of diet, and these are two companies that are based here in Toronto, Raw Foods and Nude Food, both two women who started the companies, two entrepreneurs, and Raw Foods makes salad dressings and they make dips, which are really yummy. So they're raw, both of them are raw, both of them are organic.
What's in it? Nutrition. What is it?
So what it's made from, so olive oil.
Okay.
There's also apple cider vinegar, which is really alkalizing, and chia seeds and hemp seeds, so they got protein. Nude Food it's a really highly nutritious snack that has coconut, banana, very simple ingredients. Sesame seeds that basically have fiber and they have protein. So they're really good to eat. Really, when you're looking for something, we talked a lot about balancing our blood sugar. So these are really good options, especially when it comes to snacking, that we want to keep our blood sugar regulated.
Yes, and when you want that crunch and you typically go for chips, or right now the kids are like, I'm hungry, I need a timey over snack. These are a great alternative.
They're right, and they make a little snack pack right here that you can throw in the kids' lunch boxes, and they're both peanut free, which is really great. And we want to be careful when it comes to dressings because of all those bad ingredients that we can find in it, like MSG and high fructose.
Olives.
So I'm an olive fanatic. I love olives. Do you like olives?
I'm Italian. I live on olives.
Oh, you live on olives. Okay.
Olive oil.
So I love olives, and these are called O-Loves. And it's basically little convenient pouches with olives in it. And there's black and there's green. And the reason I love olives is because they're high in monounsaturated fat, which helps to reduce blood pressure, helps to prevent cardiovascular disease. Such an awesome snack. And again, it has the good fat that helps to keep us satiated.
And healthy skin, healthy hair. And you see there's different flavors. Cheeky chili, garlic, and oregano, which is nice.
Which is those spices that you see on the actual olives. Really, really yummy. Next category is the superfood category. So again, not new, but what's happening is that companies like Nature's Path are coming up with ways, innovative ways, to really change the way that we're eating these superfoods. They're convenient, they're delicious. Kia bars are brand new to the market, so we're going to see them out really quick, really soon.
Is it quinoa based?
It's basically chia seeds, there's coconut, there's hemp. Again, they're energy bars that have complete protein that help to sustain us throughout the day.
Okay.
And they're organic, they're non-GMO. They've got 4 to 6 grams of protein and 4 to 6 grams of fiber per bar.
Wow.
And they're lower in sugar.
And good for the kids and good for us to reach at the 3 o'clock when you have that craving for chocolate or something, you get some crunch.
Exactly. And you know what? And what's so nice about it is that if you feel, look how fresh. It's soft, so it's so fresh, and it's just super nutritious. What I think it comes down to is, again, finding those foods that you're getting your big bang of nutrition.
Last 2 and 30 seconds, you so got this, Andrea.
So this is Oso. This is basically called a functional food. It has probiotics. We were just talking about probiotics. 1 billion probiotics per bar. And again, if you're going to look to supplement, you want to go for a Bio-K or a Renew Life, something that has 50 billion CFUs. But this is really a fun food, a fun snack.
To keep your gut healthy.
Keep your gut and your immunity. And this is Daiya Foods, which basically is a mock cheese. It's a vegan cheese that has the same stretch. They came out with new pizza flavors that are really yummy, and I'm gluten-free and dairy-free, so this is, I love this one. I want to eat pizza.
Is it just as good?
I love it. It's not cheese, but it's a vegan cheese. I love it.
Awesome.
Somebody who's gluten-free and dairy-free, it's good for me.
At Andrea Donsky for more, at Naturally Savvy on Twitter as well. BreakfastTelevision.ca for all this information. Thank you. To good health, and you don't compromise taste. It's a win-win. We'll be back with more BT right after this.
I love it. I make sandwiches.